Today, we're drawing Metal Sonic. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with Metal Sonic's eyes. First, draw one sharp curved line, slanting down toward the center. Then, from that line, pull the stroke upward. Next, wrap each side into a long, narrow eye shape. Keep the corners sharp so he looks focused. Now add the first inner eye detail. Draw a small curved oval inside the eye. Add another smaller curve inside it, like a robotic lens. Then repeat the same details on the other eye. Try to keep both eyes angled the same way. Now let's build the face around the eyes. Start with a small diamond shape under the center. Next, add a small round cheek joint on one side of the face. Now draw the same little round joint on the other side, keeping it close to the lower eye area. After that, draw a soft curved line along the bottom of the face, connecting both sides. Add the sidelines of the face, curving upward from the small round joint. Then do the same on the other side. Keep the face low and compact. We want the big eyes to stay the main focus. Now let's draw the first ear. Start beside the head and pull a tall curved line upward. Bring the line back down to make a sharp, robotic ear shape. Inside the ear, add a smaller angled shape, following the same direction. Add a tiny circle near the base, like a little screw or joint. Now repeat that on the other side. Start with the outside ear shape first. Add the inner ear line, then place the small circle near the base again. Now draw the top of the head. Connect from one ear to the other with one big smooth curve. Keep the top round and high. Next, add the back spike on one side, curving it out and back in behind the head. Then add the spike shapes on the other side. Keep them behind the face, not through it. Now let's move down to the body. Draw two short lines under the head for the sides of the torso. Close the bottom with a rounded shape, almost like a small robot belly. In the center, draw a large circle for the chest core. Add a smaller circle inside. Then another tiny circle right in the middle. Now divide the outer circle into small sections, like a little turbine. Keep these details simple. It should look mechanical, not like a math exam escaped onto the page. Now let's draw the first arm. Start with the small shoulder armor under the head. Add the small connector, then draw the upper arm going outward. Next, draw the larger forearm piece. Then, add the wrist ring at the end. Now let's start the claw hand with the thumb first. After that, add the first finger beside it, keeping the claw shape clear. Now add the next finger, curving it out a little so it does not overlap too much. Add one more finger underneath and keep the claw tips spread apart. Now close the palm shape behind those fingers. Add the small details inside the palm and fingers, like simple robot joints. Now let's draw the other arm. Start with the small shoulder armor under the head. Add the connector, then draw the upper arm and the larger forearm piece. Next, add the wrist ring, just like we did on the first arm. Start the claw hand with the thumb first. Then add each finger one at a time, keeping the claws spread out. Now close the palm shape and add a few small robot joint details. Nice, both arms are done. Keep them wide and balanced so the pose looks strong. Now add the small lower body piece under the chest. Just draw a short rounded shape in the center. Keep it simple because the legs will cover most of this area anyway. Now let's build the first leg, piece by piece, like we're snapping robot parts together. Start under the body with the small upper leg piece. Then add the knee joint. Add the small side circle to make it feel more mechanical. And the lower leg piece underneath. Now attach the ankle piece. Then place the boot shape under it. Make the boot big and rounded because Metal Sonic needs that chunky robot look. Add the bottom sole, then divide the front of the boot into simple panels. Nice, the first leg is done. Keep the shapes clean and connected, like a tiny robot kit that somehow came with attitude. Now let's build the other leg the same way, one robot piece at a time. Start with the small upper leg piece under the body. Add the knee joint. Add the small side circle again for that mechanical detail. Then connect the lower leg underneath. Now attach the ankle piece. Then add the big, rounded boot. Try to keep this boot about the same size as the first one. Add the bottom sole. Then divide the front of the boot into simple panels. Nice, both legs are done. Now let's add the rocket flames under the first boot. Draw sharp, zigzag lines pointing downward. Make one longer flame in the middle, then add shorter flames on the sides. Now repeat the flame shape under the other boot. It does not have to match perfectly. A few uneven flame tips actually make it look more energetic, which is rare good news from jagged lines. And that's it. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!